In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail account in Google Chrome. This is a helpful skill if you use multiple Gmail accounts and need to switch between them quickly. Let's dive into the steps with ease and efficiency. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. You should see your default homepage or any previously opened tabs. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll spot your account profile picture, or it might just be your initials if you haven't updated it. Click on that icon to see a drop-down list showing all the Google accounts currently signed in. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. Look for the button that says Manage Your Google Account. Clicking this will lead you to a new page, your Google Accounts Management Interface, home to a variety of settings and personalization options. Next, we'll sign out from the current account. To do this, return to the drop-down menu you initially opened by clicking on your profile picture. Skim through the listed accounts and find the Sign Out of All Accounts option. This option is located towards the bottom of the menu. Choosing this will log you out of all Google services, including Gmail, for every account listed. Once logged out, Google Chrome will redirect you to the sign-in page. Here, enter the details of the Gmail account you wish to use. Input your email address or phone number associated with that account and follow it up with your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, a security code will be sent to your registered device for added security. After successfully signing in, your new Gmail account becomes the active one across all Google services within Chrome. You might want to repeat these steps each time you plan on switching to a different Gmail account. It can improve productivity and streamline your workflow, especially if your tasks are divided among personal, work, or other Gmail accounts. A quick tip: to make switching easier in the future, consider adding multiple profiles to Chrome. Through profiles, you can segment activities, bookmarks, and account preferences by each Gmail account, avoiding repeated sign-in and sign-out actions. To wrap up, what we've learned are simple yet practical steps to efficiently switch your Gmail account in Google Chrome. These steps not only help maintain a clutter-free workflow, but also enhance your browsing experience, ensuring you stay organized and effective with your online tasks. So give it a try and see how it simplifies your digital life. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.